I am in Ljubljana and I am here to change the tires. These lasted for 14,000 kilometers. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I am in Ljubljana and today I am gonna get my new tires. So the front one was quite bad, the rear one not really. It was let's say ready for another let's say 500 to 1000 kilometers, but the front one was almost gone. So I am in Ljubljana and I am here to change the tires. So you're gonna see what I picked. As you can see, it is 14,000 kilometers. So these lasted for 14,000 kilometers. Okay, the rear one would go even more, but I just decided to change both. I think this is the best way. I am happy that I have now brand new tires, and here you can see the line. So let's go and ride, guys. This was all. This was my video about getting new tires for the Tracer 9. I am in front of SMK in Ljubljana. So guys here are really kind and professional, and that's why I am always here when I need something and to do the regular maintenance. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do me a favor and subscribe, and till the next one.